Hello, my name is Valtteri Salamäki and I'm the CEO of Edge Sound Research, here with another company update. The start of 2023 has been phenomenal for the Edge Sound Research team, as the last 60 days have been starting out with CES 2023 in Las Vegas, where we were awarded an Innovation Award honoree for our ResonX technology, which was able to be showcased to thousands of attendees at our ResonX lounge that we designed. Every aspect of our booth was designed with ResonX technology to show every way that you can use ResonX technology today. That led to amazing conversations with companies in automotive, in gaming, in home audio, all across the board, but also leading to create press releases. One of them was with AR Post, talking about how ResonX technology and embodied audio can be the future for immersive experiences by combining multiple senses to really teleport you into a new virtual world. And also, the big press release that came out was from Billboard that chose us for the Best of CES, specifically for the best audio innovation for venues, talking about our ResonX technology. And that perfectly leads us into our next announcement, which is a big announcement, as we were chosen as one of 7 companies in the world for the NBA Launchpad program. And we're very excited to be working with the NBA to introduce our ResonX technologies, not only for live games, in-seat experiences, but also exploring how our technology can be used within the 2K League for the NBA in the esports environment. So we're going to be working on that over the next couple months, really focusing a lot of our time there, as we have decided as an organization that 80% of our time is going to be very focused in on the live event venue deployment of our ResonX technology, and the additional 20% of our time will still be used for things like immersive installations, such as the very first project we worked on with Studio Space for their inaugural project called the Still Project, or Still Installation, which was a combination of lighting, fashion, audio, dancers, all combined together in this beautiful art piece. That was an awesome sensation to be able to experience firsthand. It was awesome to also see how other people were able to experience it throughout the week that the installation was live. There will be a lot of additional updates around the Still installation over the next couple months. In addition, our team actually recently just flew out back to Minneapolis to update a speakeasy audio system with our ResonX technology, with our new and improved ResonX systems that were a lot easier to install and also really increase the performance of our technology in that venue. So we're excited to see how much better our technology is consistently getting from the feedback we're getting from our first customers. We're very thankful for those first customers that are willing to take the risk with us, but expand and give us the knowledge to allow us to scale this ResonX technology in other venues all across the world. And also, we're still spending some time with recording studios. ResonX technology is being used in some commercial studios as well as some at-home studios, but we're taking our time to get that feedback before we introduce any products or services specifically for the recording studio space. As I presented, 80% of our time is specifically for live event venues, as we see that that's where the excitement of our technology is today, but we are definitely conscious of how our technology can be used in the multitude of different industries over time. And lastly, we still have a very powerful internal initiative around accessibility. And one of those highlights is Ethan Castro, our co-founder, being written an op-ed in VentureBeat talking about a world of inclusivity where accessibility is not really an afterthought for venues and locations around the world, but it's actually part of the forefront of decision making. And this leads perfectly into his presentation for the Silent Garden, which is one of the biggest conferences for the deaf and hard of hearing community, talking about his research throughout his PhD and how individuals perceive information through vibration and how that has led to our ResonX technology today. We're super excited about all our progress and our traction heading into 2023. We're thankful for our partners, we're thankful for our investors. So if you're interested in learning more about our company, feel free to reach out. But the progress we're making is getting me excited for what is possible here in this year of 2023. Thank you for tuning in. Welcome to the Sonic Revolution, and remember, the future of audio is in your hands.